in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up multiple monitors on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then select system on the left panel here. On the right side, select display. And then if you scroll down underneath scale and layout, select where it says multiple displays. Choose the presentation mode for your displays. And then hopefully if you've connected everything properly to your device with the cables, you should be able to select the detect button. It should automatically detect it. If not, you may need to go onto the manufacturer's website of the monitor and then locate the applicable drivers for your device. You can also go underneath advanced display right under here and then select your secondary monitor if you want to make any changes to your monitor preferences. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.